everybody, and here, welcome back to another video by me, Steve Clues. Right now today, I'm going to open this Xperia X. The reason is because the charger port at the bottom here is broken. Now I've been onto Amazon and I've got a charger port. A new USB port. This is micro USB. What the problem with this phone is, it won't charge because the charger port at the bottom is broken. So you need to replace the charger port. Now, obviously, if you want to open this phone, you have to buy some tools. These tools I've got here. You can get either from eBay or Amazon. Then obviously you need to make sure you've got the proper screwdrivers for opening the screws that are underneath here as well. Make sure you've got one of these and all. For pull up any parts that are on inside the phone. Yeah, let's get to it. Opening this phone. I'm going to speed up the video so it doesn't get too boring. Right, I put back together the phone itself. I've used this glue here that you can buy from Poundland to stick the back on. Now, obviously, you might think, oh, there was a bit of messing on this video at the end part. It's because my camera cut off. That's why. But anyway, here's the finished product, and it does actually switch on. There's nothing, not really no damage to it anyway. But now I've got a new charger port, which was broken last time. It wouldn't charge. Let's show you it charging when it turns on. Plug it in. There we have it. Charging. Take it out. Yeah. So basically, I've saved myself 20 quid in doing this, because in the mobile phone shop they charge £25 to replacing that, and all I've done is just basically brought the USB charger port online and fixed it myself. Yeah. I hope you found something useful about this video anyway. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.